Hello students, welcome to the online classes. I hope all of you are trying to cope up with your studies. So keep on trying. One advice that whatever is taught to you, you have to repeat that, you have to go through that chapter the same day so that you may revise the things, you may understand the things, and if you have any problem you may ask your teacher. Okay, now come to the topic. Today I'm going to start with grammar, and the topic which I have taken today is adjectives. Adjectives, it is the topic which is given in all the classes 3, 4, 5, 6. So adjectives class, if you might have heard describing words also. When you were in class 1 or 2, you might have heard about describing words. So adjectives, if I'm going to define adjectives, then I'll say that adjectives are the words that help to describe nouns. Okay, so adjectives, so the words that help to describe nouns are called adjectives. You do one thing, underline this heading adjectives and write down describing words, because adjectives are also known as describing words. Why? Because they describe a noun. Noun you have already read which words are known as noun, or which words are called noun. So adjectives describe noun. Describe means they tell us something more about noun, they give us more information about noun. Adjective, they are adding something more, they are adding some more information, they are telling us more about noun, they are giving more information about noun, or they are describing noun. So you will see that they follow a noun. Adjectives follow noun. So adjectives, once again, the words that help to describe nouns are called adjectives. When you will go through the chapter, you will find that here it is written adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, and adjectives of number. These three are the types of adjectives. I will tell about these types in detail. First of all, you go through the adjectives and try to understand the adjectives. For example, suppose you have to describe your classmate. If I say describe your classmate, what will you do? You will use a few words, describing words, to describe your classmate. That your classmate is intelligent, good looking, handsome, smart. Okay, so all these words which you have used to describe your classmate, these words are known as adjectives, because they are describing someone, they are giving some information about them. So these are adjectives. If I ask you to describe an apple, what will you say? Apple might be fresh, apple might be juicy, apple might be red. Understood? So just like that, if you have to describe, suppose you have to describe a cake, how would you describe? If it is good, you will say it is delicious, it is colorful, it is tasty. So these are the words you could use to describe cake. So all those words which you use to describe something or someone means a noun. Those words are known as adjectives. So all for this video. Now in next video I'll explain the types of adjectives.